Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to unbox this Insta360 Heavy Duty Clamp. And you can read a little about it. It says Heavy Duty Clamp. In this box is the clamp mount, the clamp wrench, a hex wrench, 3-prong to 1/4 adapter, a thumb screw, anti-slip ring, and a user manual. We have some instructions, how to use it. Here's the mount. And here's an accessory package. Has the double-sided sticky tape. This is a wrench, so you can put it on and loosen it up, tighten it. But yeah, with this you can attach it to a bar. You can attach it to a light stand, C-stand, tripod. You can attach it to a pole, like if you were mounting something overhead. You can attach it to handlebars on a bike. A lot of good uses for this. It's really heavy duty, solid. If you have an action camera, you can put it on here and attach that. So yeah, this is good stuff. I think this will come in handy. You can see that it rotates, articulates. Good stuff. So there you have it. The Insta360 Heavy Duty Mount Clamp.